Namaskar. Nishta Module 6 Health and Well-being. First of all, we will complete activity 1. Read the statement and mark as yes or no. First question: a physically fit person can carry out physically task for longer duration without fatigue. Correct answer: yes. Next, vertical jump helps to measure power. Correct answer of this question is yes. Body composition is a skill related physical fitness component. Correct answer no. Agility and coordination are health related to physical fitness components. Correct answer of this question is no. Health and physical fitness are synonyms. Correct answer no. We have completed here 5 questions and our score is 5 to 5. Nishta Module 6 Activity 4. Check your understanding. Read the statement and mark agree or disagree. First question: the only way to confirm HIV infection is through the testing of specific body fluids such as blood, saliva. Correct answer of this question is agree. Next, having HIV infection is the end of life. Correct answer disagree. HIV is transmitted through touching, shaking hands, hugging, sharing eating utensils, coughing and sneezing, sharing the toilet seat, and insect bites. Disagree. HIV positive students should be expelled from school as they may prove dangerous for other students and teachers sitting in the same classrooms. Disagree. Healthy looking person can't be HIV positive. Disagree. Donating blood cannot cause HIV infection. Agree. HIV and AIDS don't mean the same. Correct answer of this question is agree. 7. Now we will complete main quiz answer of Nishta Module 6. Nishta Module 6 Health and Well-being. First question: daily requirement of physical activities includes at least 30 to 40 minutes. What are various issues and concerns related to adolescence? Correct answer of this question is growth and development, self-esteem and self-concept, anxiety and depression, nutrition needs and any kind of harassment. Next, health related fitness don't include. Correct answer balance. Surya Namaskar improves blood circulation. Physical activities mainly prevents us from. Correct answer is arthritis. Does the functioning of heart and lungs can be improved? Correct answer of this question is by increasing availability of oxygen. Next, the 4 major sources of media are television, radio, newspaper and internet. What are the factors influencing growth and development in adolescence? Correct answer biological, psychological, cultural, social, economic factors. Which one of the following is a helping for children in distress by the Ministry of Women and Children Development? Correct answer Childline 1098. Space is a relatively new media platform that has revolutionized our world. Correct answer Internet. What does HIV stand for? Correct answer Human Immunodeficiency Virus. N of 5F. Correct answer faces, fluid, fingers, flies, fails. What measures can be taken by a person to remain in good health? Correct answer. Taking a balanced diet and maintaining good eating habits, personal and food hygiene and sanitation around us. How can good care of children's overall health be ensured? Practice hand washing, cover mouth and nose while sneezing, eat healthy, get good sleep and rest. Which of the following things should be avoided in case of an emergency? Correct answer of this question is give them something to eat or drink to avoid discomfort due to hunger or thirst. How our constitution ensures developing sensitivity towards different adult? Correct answer of this question is by providing right to equality. Ahimsa is one of the principle of correct answer. Yum. Which one is a cardiovascular disease? Correct answer is Marfan syndrome. How can a positive attitude be developed towards healthy relationship in adolescence? Correct answer talking to them and understand their concerns. We have completed 20 questions. Now submit. Our score is 20. Next module we will upload it as soon as possible. Thank you.